Okay, so today I'm going to make a salt soap. It's the first time I've done that, and yeah, here I am just adding in the lye water, so we're using the heat transfer method. So yeah, looking forward to seeing how this one turns out. I'm using the heat transfer. So you'll see here it takes quite a bit of stirring. The lye water had cooled just a little bit, which probably should have jumped on that a little bit sooner, but I was busy getting organised. But anyway, you'll see as I keep stirring that this slowly dissolves all of the coconut oil and the palm oil, which, given the temperature's pretty warm in Melbourne, keeps it kind of fluid anyway. But it just speeds up the whole process if you don't have to wait for your lye water to cool down. So yeah. Keep mixing, slowly melting it. Yeah, you just have to be patient and keep going till all the little lumps are gone. You can use your blender to blend out any lumps that are left at the end, but it's quite pleasant standing there stirring the batter and getting all the lumps out. So yeah, there's no rush. So just enjoy the process of stirring, and yeah, I've enjoyed that. And then putting in this really nice little bit of yellow. And the salt's actually quite it's about half the weight of your oils. And yeah, this recipe is quite a simple recipe, but I enjoyed putting a little bit of yellow in, and then you'll see me add the salt in. So yeah, just keep watching. Fragrance in. So here you see me just using the whisk again, because I have heard rumours that the lemon myrtle can sort of move quickly in your batter, and given I was whacking salt in this, I certainly didn't want this batter to seize up, so I used the whisk and poured that salt in and just keep mixing with that. You don't need to use the whisk from what I've watched others, so you can feel it sort of blending in with the batter, and it blended in quite well, and I think it was about 335 grams of sea salt, so but it certainly smelled good with the lemon myrtle, and I'll put a picture of that up later so you can see it's it's from Candle Science, I think. But yeah, really nice fragrance. So yeah, getting close to putting it into the container now. You can see there where I slopped that batter all over my dress, and that's why you've got to wear protective gloves and eyewear, because if you've got any of that stuff near your eyes or on your skin, I probably should have long sleeves on, but yeah, lucky it didn't get on my skin, so that's why we wear protective gear, and no matter what it looks like, it's just worth the effort. I've had the odd lye burn, and they're not fun. They got splatter in my eye once when I thought I was being clever about the glasses, and yeah, it's not good. So anyway, we're nearly finished. Okay, so it's not quite ready to do a sculpt on top. It's thick, but I wanted it to be a little bit thicker, so I thought I'd just move a few things around and wait for it just to thicken up, but I didn't want to let it set too much before I put a few little sculpts on the top, and then at the end you'll see we add a little bit of rock salt as decoration, but yeah, that was just thick enough then to put a little shape on the top, so I didn't want it to be overly fancy, because I think the salt soap itself will look good, because from what I've seen, the salt soaps can look quite grainy, so that rough texture on the top is all you need. So yeah, very happy with that so far. And to finish it off, adding some really nice rock salt to the top, so it'll look good. Just a very small amount, not too much, because we don't want to overdo it. It's full of salt and it smells absolutely amazing. So yeah, can't wait to see how this turns out. And yeah, I'll take some photos of it after it's been cut, but looking good, very happy. And this is the fragrance I used, Lemon Myrtle, and it really is very nice. So yeah, if you like a lemon fragrance, this one's really nice, and that's what it looks like when it's been cut. Quite grainy, but it smells good, and it's bubbling up nice with the sample. So thank you for watching.